Do you have a dream of animating? Have you ever dreamed of starting your own animation, but you don't know where to start? Hey, dreams need action. You've been considering this for years, so take that initial step today. With all the advancement in technology being so affordable today, now is the perfect time to start learning. Well, great news for you. XPPen and 2D Animation 101 together are bringing out the 6-week Animator Incubation for you. A program with free tutorials, weekly challenges, and a bunch of prizes. In these 6 weeks, you will learn the 12 principles of animation. Study, practice, do the challenges, and then you can call yourself an animator. Join this 6 weeks Animator Incubation this September 21st at xppen.com to move up your creative dreams.